Every single day, you step into your kitchen to prepare food for yourself and the people you love. But right now, hiding in plain sight, there's a silent killer you probably use multiple times a day. You can't see it, you can't smell it, you can't taste it, yet it's slowly accumulating inside your body. The biggest culprits are the everyday items most kitchens still contain in 2026. Scratched non-stick pans releasing PFAS forever chemicals, black plastic utensils leaching toxic flame retardants, worn plastic cutting boards shedding microplastics with every chop, and old plastic containers that release chemicals when you heat food in them. These substances don't just pass through you. Over months and years, they build up, disrupting hormones, creating chronic low-grade inflammation, weakening your immune system, and raising the long-term risk of very serious diseases. The scariest part? Most people feel completely fine, right until the moment they don't. But here's the good news. You can stop this slow poison today with surprisingly simple switches. Move away from non-stick and choose cast iron, stainless steel, or good modern ceramic cookware. Swap black plastic utensils for wood, bamboo, or high-quality food-grade silicone. Replace plastic cutting boards with wood or bamboo, and switch food storage to glass or stainless steel containers. These aren't expensive luxuries, they're basic protection for your body and your family. Your kitchen should be a place that nourishes and heals, not a place that quietly harms. Make one small swap this week, then another the week after. Your future health will thank you, and so will the people who eat the food you prepare. Stay aware, protect yourself, start today.